Hi kids, welcome to our channel. आओ कुछ नया सीखते हैं. I'm your teacher, Mrs. Upasna Sinha from Dr. D. Ram DAV Public School, Gola Road, Patna. Today we will learn phonic sounds of alphabet. See the alphabets: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Now we will learn the sounds of these alphabets. Are you ready? Now start. Apple, ant, abacus, x, ball, bat, boy, bird, camel, cat, castle, crab, dragon, duck, dolphin, drum, elephant, and engine, egg, fox, fan, fish, flag, goat, grass, gun, grapes, horse, hen, hippo, hat, iron, ice, ice cream, ibex, jam, jackal, jam, cattle, kite, kitchen, king, lion, lamb, lollipop, log, mango, man, monkey, moon, nose, nurse, necklace, nut, octopus, off, ostrich, on, pumpkin, pig, pizza, pan, quack, quarter, quack, queen, quack, question, quack, quilt, rabbit, rock, rooster, race, sun, snail, seven, sand, tiger, truck, tea, top, up, umbrella, under, us, violin, vase, vegetable, van, winter, whale, waiter, wheel, x-ray, xylophone, Xmas, zeme, yak, yam, yellow, yok, zoo, zebra, zinnia, zip. So kids, these are the sounds of our English alphabets. Thank you so much.